What's happening, self-helpers, and welcome to Self-Help Yourself, the #1 self-help channel dedicated to becoming the best version of yourself. And today is a very special day because Self-Help Yourself turns 1 year old. Making these videos for you over the last 1 year has been a blast and the journey has been crazy. And the only way to go from here is straight up. So what does Self-Help Yourself have planned for 2018? Stay tuned to find out. #1, new videos. Guys, if you haven't guessed it already, Self-Help Yourself will be coming out with a lot of different content from different areas of life. And I believe if you get that information, it will make a big impact in your life. So be sure to stay tuned to this channel and subscribe right now. Hit both bell notifications and be sure to tell your friends about this channel because it's going to help change their lives. So expect more content on relationship advice, sex, psychology, and motivation in the coming months. The second change that we'll be having on this channel is expert talks, and we'll be bringing in experts from different areas of life including finance, fitness, psychology, sexual problems, and much more. And even if there's something that you guys want to learn about, we can bring in an expert related to that field as well. I'm really excited about this because we're going to bring in some great information and that is going to make a huge impact in your life. So get ready for collaborations and get ready to gain some information from some very resourceful people. Expect some new courses and books to come out from this channel because I've been looking to create some exclusive content, and this is going to come out in the form of some new videos as well as some online courses and ebooks. Which ones in particular? Well, the first one that I have planned is going to be about sex and how to improve your communication to have a great sex life and create lasting intimacy that will keep you happy for an entire lifetime. So the other course that I've been working on is for all the young sportsmen out there. The thing is, I wish there was something like this out there when I was a young player myself. But now, with the transformation that you are going to make, I am going to be more than satisfied. The thing is, it's going to break down all the individual psychological factors involved in making a champion out of you. And it's going to make you a dominant force in your particular sport. And what it's also going to do is help you bypass years of training. Because we go through a lot of things as a sportsman, a lot of insecurities, a lot of things associated with confidence, and this is just a trailer or a hint as to what is going to come out in the course itself. So be sure to check that out, and I am confident that you will bypass years of training with my course when it does come out. The fourth thing that you ought to be looking out for on this channel, a website. That's right, Self-Help Yourself will soon be getting its own website, and all of this new content that is coming out is going to be housed there. So be ready for that when it does come out. And the final big change that I have planned for this channel is YouTube live sessions. The thing is, there are a lot of topics that I want to share with you, and doing them live is going to give us an opportunity to talk about it and also for you to ask me questions, and I will try and clear them to the best of my ability. So guys, are you excited for 2018? Because I sure am, because I am talking to someone who is going to make big strides this year in their life. So, do you want to be awesome? Do you want to get to new places? Do you want to achieve big things? Well, subscribe to Self-Help Yourself, turn on bell notifications, and give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see on this channel because this is your channel and it is designed to make your life amazing. So until the next session, guys, this is Vikram signing off, and I will see you in the next session.